Welcome everyone, welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you all doing today? Well, today I'm actually planting vegetables in clay soil. And I want you to follow this journey. I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to hit the notification bell so you can get the update on all these videos. Now today, what I'm gonna walk through, I'm gonna give you a walkthrough today, and I'm gonna show you what I'm actually doing and the type of soil I'm planting in. So right here we have rosemary, we have turmeric coming up here, we have mint, chocolate mint, we have more turmeric there, we have peppers over there, we have zucchini coming up there, we have corn, we have ginger, we have a pumpkin right there, we have another zucchini over there, this is another zucchini, that's a zucchini, we have ginger coming up here, we have mint, we have more turmeric, okra, zucchini, turmeric, pepper, turmeric, rosemary and okra. So in this little area here, guys, we have a mixed variety and we want to see how everything gonna grow with each other. We also want to show you the type of soil that I'm growing into. This is actually red clay soil, guys, but guess what, guys, we have full confidence. We have full confidence in clay soil. What we also doing, we also adding weeds into the soil. We have weeds, we have leaf, we have grass clippings that we keep adding into the soil. So guys, I want you to stay tuned. I want you to hit the notification bell so you can see the update of growing in clay soil. Our pumpkin already start growing. We start to see flowers on our zucchini. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and share.